Open the box and lay out all the contents. You should have the base. The front of the base has the tension indicator window on the right side. The back has the safety pin on the left side. 2 feet. A green bag with 2 hardware bags inside. One bag is for wood top, one bag is for MDF top. 2 wing brackets. A tension adjuster handle. Instruction manual. Take one of the legs and install it on the base using 4 30mm button head screw. Make sure you are putting the long part of the leg towards the front of the base. Repeat for the other leg. Flip the base over and locate the 2 screws on the right side of the base towards the front. Loosen the top one and remove the bottom one entirely. Take the right wing bracket so that the R is pointing upwards and line it up with the base. Tighten the top screw and put the lower screw back in. On the top of the bracket, install 2 7mm flathead screws. Repeat for the left side. Place your base upside down on your top. Center the base from both sides. Measure from the inside of the base to the outer edge of the wooden top. For 30-inch tops, it should be 16.5 inches, and for 24-inch tops, it should be 13.5 inches. Note on MDF tops, you'll line up the holes to the inserts on the top. Pre-drill all holes around the base and attach using 3/4 inch screws. Line up the release paddle to next to the support bracket on the top. Measure 1 inch from the edge of the table. Pre-drill and attach using 1.5 inch panhead wood screws in the hardware packet. Flip the table over and remove the safety pin. It is best to set a 20-pound weight on the top of the desk and lift. Adjust the tension as needed so that you can raise and lower the desk with ease. Never go past the min or max on the tension indicator.